Myth number 3, subwoofers disrupt your neighbors and shake the whole house. I can tell you that that gets old pretty quickly. There are a few people that is their entire experience of subwoofers, but for most people, what you find is that the long-term enjoyment of living with the subwoofer day in and day out involves judgment and the kind of very simple controls that we provide that lets you quite literally set and forget. What actually works is an integrated sound, where it sounds natural when you're listening to music, and in many of our subwoofers you also have the ability to control the 0.1 LFE level independent of your settings for music. So how do you know when you got it right? That's a question that we hear frequently. It's right when you don't hear it as a differentiated origin of sound. It's really important that you get it to blend, that it is a seamless passover between the REL and the speaker. If you can hear it stepping out, it's wrong.